This story began when a couple newly relocated from California to New England stepped into our showroom. They weren't looking for just a kitchen, but for a space that embodied their values: modern, minimal, and effortlessly refined. Together, through just a few thoughtful meetings, we shaped a design where precision meets serenity. We extended the perimeter wall to amplify scale and storage, replacing heavy stainless steel appliances with fully integrated models. The result? Seamless lines of handleless white cabinetry, softly illuminated by LED lights. A bridge of wall cabinets frames the sculptural pit-cooking gas cooktop, while the light grain island with its centered sink and perfect symmetry anchors the room in quiet balance. Now, more than a year later, the space has become the heart of their homeware design and daily life flow as one. And the story continues. 2 years after their first kitchen, we've just completed the design of their living room.